Let's go, sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like.
What's up, everybody?
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Sibling Rivalry. And if it's your
Yes.
first time, welcome.
You always do this.
I know.
You say, please start the show. Please carry it. I'm not feeling well. And then you hijack the steering wheel. What's that all about?
Because I'm
They
scared
so
you're going to mess it up.
Okay. Clearly, our trust relationship needs to be looked into, love.
No, sorry. It's just normal. It's just like, it's like a switch like happens and then it's like, oh, this is what I
Oh,
do.
game
yeah.
time.
Yeah. For
Oh,
sure.
okay.
Mm.
Lekker.
Mm.
Speaking about game time.
Hey. You know, we have the best followers, subscribers. We literally have the best.
Clean.
People are always
Clean.
trying to give us things
Yeah,
also.
bruh.
Always trying to like give us like, oh, we can do this for you if you want. which
Give us
is-
money.
Give us money.
Give us merch.
Give us merch. So one of our blings was like, I want to make you guys t-shirts.
Clean. In fact, come and fetch them. I've made you guys t-shirts.
Yes.
Choose your color and come fetch them.
Yes. So Uxolela made us these beautiful t-shirts. They're Sibling Rivalry and love each other at the end of the mic. And it's gorgeous.
Yeah, they're just
Yeah.
beautiful. I love the fit. I love how they feel. I like the design. It's just like
I know, right?
catchy.
When does ask gay followers, someone is sitting, Nathi siyasifuna. So, Uxolela vakira.
Over to you, get
Over to you, Ketia. Thank you so much. We really, really love them. And it's always nice to get a gift, firstly.
Yeah, for sure.
But it also came with like the cutest message, which is just like complete words of encouragement and that make us go, okay, at least okay, we're changing people's, days, if
Yeah,
not
for
anything.
sure.
But
Yeah.
mntakwazi uncuma or whatever. So thanks, Xolelo.
Definitely. Thank you very, very much. We really deeply appreciate it, I think. And they came at just like at the perfect time. So yeah, be blessed, man. Usikeleleke akwande apho ubuthatha khona, sis.
Mm.
Yeah. Shumayela, I'm not one day on this podcast, I'm telling you.
Shot to Shumayela, actually. That's the only thing missing in your life's journey.
Nah.
Yeah.
Otherwise?
Oh, ngiyagoa, dog.
What's happening? Now last week ubugo, you gone?
Yeah, but now I've reached the ukala phase of Goa. You know, there's that Goa where you can just Goa in your head.
Yeah.
And then ubalisam and you're whatever. And then the next level is where you just uyalila.
Okay.
Because you're just like, oh, akuningi. Andilila. Mhlanje?
Is it?
Yo, laqhubela nini
morning.
ulila. No, mini yonke efoni ndiqale ekuseni.
Le nto ungatyanga notya.
Maybe that's why.
Ubusitya kwezi zabantwana. Oh no. Feel better though. Not really.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm trying not to pay attention, but like I went to the gym and at gym, like I was listening to like slow, sad love songs.
Oh no.
No.
Fondini, suppose umamele yona ntsika Fondini. Pa.
Yeah, exactly. No, I was swore so hard.
Ithina ngom, if it ain't about the money,
Yeah.
with it.
So the thing has been my many love songs last night, and then this morning I just pressed play. I didn't even.
That's why you were crying, bro. You love songs.
No, it's
That's-
not.
Nangam,
No.
ndayeka umamela umetro on a Sunday.
Ngoba
Because ngenye imini I caught off guard in the Mamelo Metro on a Sunday. And I remember the song that was playing. Also, this is probably like 15 plus years ago.
yeah.
Ingoma yayikhale yayingu-Brandy, long distance. You understand?
Go again.
This long distance is killing me. Can you hear me trying? Oh,
Bobby love this thing.
andalila anayino cherry. Ndikhumbula icherry. Ndikhumbula icherry ngathi ndinecherry se-Egypt. Okanye Ethiopia somewhere. Endiyikhumbula ngenhliziyo yami yonke. I had such a painful heart missing my non-existent girlfriend.
Why?
That from that day I was just like, I'm not gonna do this to myself. Why do people do that? He loves songs. They make you sad. if there's no person in your life that you can attribute those lyrics, utsho ba, okay, as lyrics is ezalo mntu. Like,
But then they also make you sad if ukhona lo mntu as
why?
well. Because closer to this long distance is killing me. If you're in a long distance relationship, ukhala la ngoma uzocinga umuntu wakho for nini?
For then book a flight.
Oh, to Egypt, mate.
Kaloku nani sanuba long distance yenu mayibe manageable. Long distance ilawe bamna nise 4 ways and use mid-range. You understand? Long distance even passport. Awunamntu wena. Yo, sorry guys. But the reality of the matter is awunamntu. Umuntu wakho siniyikhaya.
You have to apply for a visa that you might not get.
That you might not get because ungangabuyi. Uyi-risk wena. Come on, guys.
If umuntu wakho say America, I
Khohlwa.
forget because they can't even visit you. Babuye kakuhle kabani.
Dangam, even if you're in Joburg, umuntu wakho say Cape Town, into yenu i-on and off. Masiqale up. like let's be serious about things, guys, man. Siyeke uvuruvayana, man.
No, but what if you started dating? You guys both lived in Joburg, and then umuntu wahamba ngomsebenzi waye eKapa. So funeka nilahlane.
Yeah, that's the time that your partner decided to leave you. They left you for a job. Okay, sure.
You call that love? Oh, I love Andiyazi, dog. Andiyazi.
Yeah, bo.
Yeah, but anyway, so hopefully dikhuphe into ezifuna ukhutshwa.
Yeah, correct.
I'm honestly like dilibele ukutya namhlanje, and honestly that is one thing I never forget to do.
Yeah.
Especially after gym, because nyalamba after gym.
And this chorus, yeah, mfile ziji chorus. I like this chorus, son.
So when we figure up, I'm like, take lambile, because I lambi like during the day.
Yeah.
So I bought a snack, can't see it. Then when he came, he was like, "Uchile namhlanje," and I was like, wait.
Actually, I didn't eat.
Also, I didn't have electricity. This is the thing. So we have an outage.
Okay.
So since ndivukile, and now it's like 5 p.m. and there's still no electricity.
Oh, swag.
So I think because I didn't know it was an outage, the lights are gonna come back and then I'll make something.
Yes.
And then
It
that's
just
gonna
didn't happen.
Trona.
Oh, skis.
Mm.
It's not in trona.
Snorting trona.
Apa it doesn't the protein in your But I don't know if they're leaving your body.
You're letting go.
Yes, when abantu bajima yung in the protein. Ayo, in the protein. Yeah. So, you know, but
Wena, ithini yakho, how was?
yeah, I'm cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm cool. I had a bit of a meltdown this morning. But and then I got confused when I got here. I was walking from the bathroom and then Dabona kwenye shop kuki sign.
Mm-mm.
Yes, cat.
Mm-mm.
Kutwa any palwesa. Yes, anything sometimes. Kisa scared kubale I'm available from size 8 to 24. So nasbuza bonke size girls zifana kanjani. 8 to 24. I was just like, okay. So, okay.
Siphela kubani sizes in?
Whoa, 14 or 14. But also, zikala mhlawumbe 26, 28 ukuthi. 26, 28 to like
No,
40s.
for sure.
So 8 to 24, I'm just like.
Size 8 ingu 32.
Oh.
Mm.
Okay. Whoa.
But then to what?
To 24.
That's wild.
Yeah. And I asked if no be scared and be top.
So, and then continue to go.
I was just trying to figure that out, but you didn't know someone and now you can't even like surprise your person because you don't size 8. I think size 8 and I'm going Ellie McBeal. But anyways, so that was just a bit confusing. But other than that, yeah, my week's been cool. Open halfway too, you know what it is.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm booked on Mama, thanks.
For what?
Episode 82 kaSibongile and the Dlamini's. I can't.
so
Yeah, guys, I
funny.
can't. I don't have the time.
Why did you start
But
it?
imanda za episode ke go 20 minutes. So
Oh,
in an hour bukela 3 episodes no feeling ngathi.
why did you
Feeling
start
ngathi I'm
it?
thanks. Oh no, it was FOMO.
FOMO from what?
From talking about it, that mom was watching over December and they were hooked no magazi. Then I was just like, yonke iba hookileyo.
Now you know what it
Ndifuna
is.
uzivela ngoku. Gaphu ubhuti wakho uvele ngale ndawo kuSibongile ngeDlamini's.
That's so
Nala mama
funny.
ukhohlakele. Oh, uyibukelanga
No,
uyazi
I
kanene
haven't
wena.
watched it. No.
Yeah. So yeah. Was that.
You've had a very interesting week.
I've had a very interesting week. So yeah, but yeah, I mean, for all other intents and purposes, I think okay, things are okay.
Okay. Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Just
Mean
going
as
through the
funny, man.
emotions, Yeah.
Yeah, I mean as funny. So yeah, one day you're up, one day you're not up. 1 second you're up, 1 second you're not up. So I
Got you,
guess
man.
you gotta roll with the punches.
You gotta roll with the punches, but you must also let it happen to you. Do you know what I mean? There's
Yeah.
nothing worse than having something traumatic or sad happen to you, and then we feel it from yourself. You know.
Yeah.
I think when those moments do come, kind of lean into them. Yeah.
It's language, yeah.
Ndiyaphela.
Yeah.
Ntoni?
Lean in.
Lean in,
That's my
yes.
language for you. Yeah. Language, yeah.
All right, cool.
okay,
Well,
yeah.
one day at a time.
Yeah.
Should we get into
Into the thick of it.
the causaness of it all?
Of it all.
The causaness of it all.
Dog!
If that is not my favorite thing about the show right now, I
Really?
don't know what is,
Yeah,
bro.
that's a super special thing. man.
100%.
What did you guys think of that, by the
Yeah,
way?
let us know what you guys thought of our new jingle.
Yeah.
Even though we did ask you guys not, but that's what you have to contend with, and the bar's high.
Yeah,
The bar's
super
high,
high.
bro. Okay, cool. So today I decided that we switch it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And we do a bit of a Roy situation.
Okay.
Yeah. Kash kash. Urai
Kash,
ngu
kash.
kash kash.
Okay.
Yes.
Rai in Afrikaans being guess.
Yes.
Roy.
Yes.
The Roy of it all.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna give you maybe 2 or 3.
Okay.
Dinamntu wam ugungquza emahadini.
Okay, I know what ugunquza is. What is emadini?
Don't know, because I thought
I know.
what?
Umahadi, isn't it like a den, right?
Yeah.
So
'Cause
like
I thought it was a
Daniel in the
hawk.
lion's den.
Why did I think it was a hawk?
Uhadi,
Oh, okay.
ne?
Mm.
So you are speaking about a tongue.
Oh.
Luluimi.
Yes.
Damn. I didn't know that before this, but
But if you think about it and if you know what the
yes,
words
they make so
mean.
much sense. Nice.
Okay.
Ugunquza emadini.
But does your tongue gunquza? Wouldn't it be your nqaka that gunquzas be in the
No,
body?
ulwimi lakho liyakwazi umuva in your mouth most.
I know that, but like, I
And it
feel
never
like,
comes out. Totally.
Yeah, but nqaka is the same.
No, yakho isihlala flat phone. Ivala i-esophagus.
Flatty.
Eh,
Ijingile nqaka.
But it closes your esophagus.
Cocktail.
Huh?
Cocktail.
When you're swallowing, when the
Yeah,
rising
and
are
then-
your lungs,
And then when I'm not swallowing,
then it lets you breathe.
so
Hey.
it's hanging there, opening and closing like a security guard.
Kubuhlungu security.
Let's move on. Excuse me.
Kaqamba umanshingilani masam.
Ndinabantu bam babini
Yeah.
baya kundisebenzela ukuba ndibaqeqeshile.
Thina abantu bam babini bayandisebenzela if ndibaqeqeshile.
Mm-mm.
What is to qeqesha? To train or to punish? Let's start there. You're looking at
I'm
the
gonna say
answer.
train.
Okay.
Yeah.
Train.
According to the answer, I'm gonna say train.
Zingalo. Arms.
Why?
Because nabantu bam babini.
Yo, naba abanye abantu ababili. Naba abanye abantu ababili. Naba abantu ababili.
You don't have to train your ears. You can't train your ears.
But you can train your arms.
Yes,
to
to
what?
do tasks. To ride, to tunga, utini, to do a lot of things.
You're quite a smarty pants, hey?
Damn, is it right?
This is Andla, but I mean close
Oh, idlanza sana. Come on, mzupela. Half on 3 out of 3 for masiqib.
enough. I need to find a hard one.
No, those two were hard. Come on, boy.
Okay.
Damn.
Ndinamntu wam uthi akufikelwa lundwendwe alile.
Uthi akufikela lindwendwe alile. Liliso. Come on.
You're so good at this. I would have sucked so bad.
Really? Yeah, next week ziyakhala so wara ziku.
I know.
Yazi ku. Zakubetheza no rai jikelele ngqu.
Inja. Senjini. Well done. That was really good.
Oh, nice.
And if you guys have any rye
That's
for
fun.
us, yeah, that's fun.
Mm.
Kaloku sithe sabalayithi namhlanje
Yeah.
akusikhalisa abantu last week.
Hey, sikhalisa abantu last week. Kwathini so kuyahlekwa one way.
Go one way. If ninazo guys, rai for us as well.
Yeah.
Please put them in the comment section as well, and then we see if we can solve them. But we obviously have a master solver here in
Yeah.
Brazil.
I've got one for you. Rai. Ndinamfo wam onebhatyi emhlophe. Nqwazo bomvu.
much.
That's cute. I like that.
Okay.
By the way, we also do the signboard, right?
Mhm.
Sipani chance to do the signboard. And I haven't done it in a while. But Talita did this one, and I'm particularly interested because I walked in and I saw this. Please, ngicela usinabisele ke Madlamini.
Okay, firstly, I was saying earlier to Mtosebenza, but I don't know if I came up with it by myself. I have no
And
idea.
you come up with things when
I do.
Oh, okay.
So, love is a drug worth getting hooked on. I think because I was in my fields today,
Yeah.
and I think my perspective was, wow, you can be as sad as you want,
Yeah.
ne? As you know, whatever the situation is. But yeah, if you're not tando, it's like a bit of hope
Okay.
in your life. And getting hooked on love for me is practicing it as well as receiving it.
Okay.
So if you put yourself in a position where you are constantly either doing one or the other or doing both,
With it.
kukuthemba,
Okay.
yeah, just in life.
Lekker.
And there's nothing better to me than being in like a dark hole where you feel like everything is crap, but then showing love to someone else.
Mm-hmm.
It kind of heals you as well somehow.
Okay.
Even though you're not doing it just because bandilapa, but just because it's something or it's something you're hooked on, it's something that is a part of you.
Yeah.
It does soothe the soul a little.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. I thought you were making a big announcement, but okay.
Like what? Like that jewelry.
Hey, Wandini!
Guys,
But that's fair. That's better. That's
why
it's miles. No, I'm just saying it's miles better.
They're not jola.
Yeah, relationships end. Fondini, don't. Laptops, trash, yonke loo nto leyo. So, yeah. No, that's excellent. I think that's a nice way to look at it.
Yeah, but I think a part of me was also like, I love difuna komnye umntu, you know? And I think sometimes, you might be crying about one thing and then ucinge enye, and then you're like, oh no.
Well, yeah.
Like, ndiyagoa, and I'm alone as well. If you turned around, Eh? Ufuna i-stranger for nini umntana
Hey.
omnyimama.
I drak nyani. I drak nyani. What?
I was actually thinking about that the other day. I was
Hey,
like, into
actually.
lesifuna kangaka kwabanye abantu esingabaziyo. Umbone umuntu esenza umuntu, my boyfriend's moving to Pretoria, so I have to be close to him. What? Why? You wouldn't do that for your family member. You don't know this man. And then nigga succeeded my boyfriend now tell anyways as a Pretoria. Oh, come on. What is wrong with us?
Yeah.
It's weird. We do a lot of things
Stranger for stranger.
for strangers, bro. You move your life for a stranger. Phana nemali ongenazo to a
Kwiti
stranger.
chomi.
Ukwiti chomi. That you used to like doing, you're not doing them anymore because this random guy walked into your life one day and said, yeah, iPhone 10 wamane chomo kokoko. And then you stop.
Yo. Yay. That's scary.
It's very scary. Can you buzen guys in don't kangaka?
Wena xa uzibuza wena ufumane iphi impendulo. Because ke awukwazi ufunika abanye abantu homework ongekayenzi.
Yo, andiyazi dog, andizuyaza lokhu nami. And ndiyagqibela dala ujola so andisazikhumbule ezawuyiba.
That's so hectic. That's so hectic.
It is. We change our lives for
Eh,
strangers.
Niyeke thina umthina nakhula nathi.
Kodwa andimfuni mzubhela.
Thina mna kudala
Ndikuthanda
and ndikuthanda genuine. I know you in your most basic form.
Ichomi. Relax and
And I still loved you.
And I still loved you, bro. But now, some random, literally a random.
That's it. That's actually quite interesting.
walks
I'd
into
love
your-
to deep dive into that. Like, khawuzama uyucinga answers ne,
Mm.
and then spin stating at some other point. I'd love to like hear about that. Why do you guys think it is? Like, if you guys can also like, why?
Why do you give so much of yourself to a stranger? Why? Why are you willing to give so much of yourself to a stranger? And why is it so easy? Is it because they say they love
well-
you?
You're wild. Wow.
Is that how much we want love? Like, outside of the love sifumanayo kwabantu abasithandayo nyanyani, or who we actually are.
Sifuna la love izawufuna uluyanda potwana.
Sifuna
Ifuna la
drama.
love ifuna ukunqandelwa.
Hey, wait, man, Nigga, why? What is even happening?
Hectic. Okay.
Okay.
But girl, let's swiftly move on to what's happening today, bro.
Okay, cool. We're gonna play a fun little game today.
What are you, this looks like you're gonna do like a palm reading or something.
If that's what you want. So this game is called Icebreaker.
Okay.
right? And it's got very random
Categories.
categories.
Yeah.
So you get to pick a category, and then I'll ask you a question from the card that correlates with that category.
What are the
Orange.
categories?
The categories are life, random,
No, definitely not live. Yeah.
random, deep,
No.
experiences. The deep is not that. It's not random. Last week. Experiences.
Intoni la nto besiyenza? Yeah.
If you could, and would you rather?
Okay.
Yeah. So you can pick one.
I will go, let's go for random.
Random
Yellow.
is yellow.
Yeah. Let's go for random. Do you have to be honest? Can I lie?
Why would
Like,
you
what are the
lie?
rules?
When have we ever lied? Why would we start now?
Fair.
Who are 3 people you want on your team if there was a zombie apocalypse? I love so much.
I will be on the side of the zombies.
Bonjani, because uzoyekelela utyiwe yizombi so that ube yizombi.
Who are the 3 people on my team? Sizawuthini siyalwa. Ka siyazimela. It depends. What are we doing?
Obviously, you're trying to stay alive. And afuna abantu aba-emotional, umuntu uzoba like, you know, the worst thing in the zombie apocalypse movies is when people trying to go back for someone. And you're like, bro, utyiwe fondini yam. No, we have to get him. No,
No, don't get him though.
don't get him. He's going to bite you. Why is this so strange for you?
I don't know. It's a random
strong or people who can
No,
think
slow
properly.
people. Kwenza bezombi zikhala zibambe bona. People who can think on their feet.
People can think on their feet. People who are crafty. People who are streetwise.
Oh man. Can I choose anyone?
Yes, 3 people.
Okay.
Ungachoose abantu ongabaziyo.
What if I feel like I know them?
Do they know you?
No, they don't know me.
So why would they be on your team?
Because I chose them.
Okay, fine, go. Okay, fine.
I just forget the guy's name.
John Cena.
I forget the hardest man in the world.
The hardest.
Lone guy, ubale 100 kilometers every day.
Oh,
Johnny, and he's a Navy SEAL, and he's everything.
I don't know who that is.
Shh, I forgot his name now.
Yeah, well, he's not. on your
David
team.
Goggins.
Is that his name?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
And Elon Musk.
Why?
Because it just seems like he'll be able to figure it out.
I'm myself with Elon while he's on my
What a
team.
whack question. I'm so disappointed in this question. Oh, I'm not having fun with this question at all.
I'm so sorry to disappoint you. You picked the category.
Yes, I did. Never again. Yeah, good deep. Get away. I don't care.
No one. So you're on the zombie team. Great. Okay, my turn.
What color?
Would you rather? It's the dark gray.
Dark gray. Would you rather?
Mm-hmm.
Would you rather be slightly late or super early?
I'm always
Okay.
definitely not slightly late. I hate myself.
Yeah. That's not even a comparison.
What do you mean?
Would you rather be early or late? Definitely. But for Banyamandu, they don't like waiting.
No, this is the thing. I
Yeah.
also don't like waiting.
Okay.
But I always end up waiting.
Why? Because you can't do when being late. Inchoza.
Ntoni intshoza?
Ubonwa ngabahlali.
Banteni?
Ba ufike late. Omehlo.
No. It's just a respect thing.
Okay.
It's just like I respect your time as much as I respect mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Don't figure late. Akhona abantu bangamandiyo ufika late, which is wild.
Yeah,
to me.
correct. Uthi hayi andazi kaloku mna ndifika late tsho.
Khanitshoni abantu bafika late.
Why?
Why?
Why ufike late? Ufike late.
Guys, khanitshoni xa nifika late, like if you're a serial late comer, because people know themselves
Correct.
as serial late comers.
Ungathi ube nomsindo tshe udazi wena uba ndingumntu ofika late. Yeah. Yo.
Why is not the right answer? Awukho ubacingela abanye abantu in that instance.
And xa ubacingela, like, what do you think they're going through in their head?
But obviously awubacingeli because uzicingela self ba ndingumntu olate mna so ziboneni uba nizothini.
So love me for me.
Love me
What, is it a bit disrespectful?
a bit. Chomi ndilinde wena ebomini bam.
Oh.
I don't know about that. Ndikulindile. I'm sitting here waiting for
Yeah.
you. As if I have
Nothing
nothing
better to do.
with myself. So let dynamic am now where you're the important person. I'm less important. My time is less important than yours.
Don't take it personally.
Why not? Because you're meeting me.
Because it's not. It's not that you are less important.
You
It's
don't-
just delayed.
Delay.
Hmm?
Delayed.
Delayed. Delayed.
Excuse me. Okokoko every time.
Yeah, time runs away from me.
Nah, bro. And then what does it do to me?
It's not
Does
about
it wait
you,
for me?
it's
Does
about-
time wait for me?
It's not about you. It's about me. Yeah,
But I'm affected by your decisions.
I've got a poor time management.
But it affects me.
I'm sorry. It's not about you. The point I'm trying to make is that it's not about you.
That's great. It's all good and well that it's not about me, but when it affects me, it becomes about me too. If it didn't affect me, fine.
Don't let it affect you.
Yo, asana, it affecting mood, yeah, Joe. Like,
Mm.
if men is and show me, I'm still having a nice time. Like, already, I'm like,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, no fair. Fair.
And people don't get it.
Awunayo ichomi late. Sinayo emni ichomi but qha yaye kuba late la chomi.
Go back there.
Athi- Noma kaloku ndathwasa ndadubulisa
Why,
iciko.
why twasela?
Uphi intangam ndifikile le buda andiseko kwalapho mna ndemkayo kudrala.
Also,
Yeah.
because we have the same 24 hours in a day, dog.
Yeah.
We literally do.
Fair.
And abakwazi uzimaneja as umuntu omdala nexesha lakho. I can't trust you to do anything.
Interessant.
Utheni ufika emsebenzini late every day? No.
Yaziwa fondini.
No, but awufiki late emsebenzini every day. Ah, bro.
Because emsebenzi.
And
What's the
because
green one? What's the
emsebenzi-
green one with the question mark?
If you could.
Yeah. And both that, eh? Very much so.
If you could only eat one meal every day for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Natya inyama ebomvu.
I didn't even finish.
Feed me red meat any day of the week,
Really?
anytime.
Like any red meat, whether it's beef or lamb or whatever. I would
Lamb.
Lamb, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
lamb.
beef as I
The
put
man
it.
muzu. Beef leli bistake emazinyo. Kaloku sosibadala amazinyo tanegaps.
Space. Siyavungula.
You understand?
I never knew that would happen. No one tells you that. But I never used to use toothpicks.
Nangam, imoto endala lela. Imagine having a 40-year-old car. Naturally, there's things that are going to, you
Break
understand?
apart.
Ewe. Ba, like ngifuna imoto yanyusa. Licanga le taxi, le mali yalinyusa, then ulihlise, then ulivale.
There's nothing that makes me feel old as much as ukuvungula does. It's
Really?
yeah, bro.
What?
Because I remember like the parents doing it, and I was also like,
Yes.
why are you guys doing that? What's wrong with your teeth? Ngoku, I'm literally stuck in that place. No
Yeah.
bantye ndoni.
Yeah.
No bantye fruit. Kofuneka ndivungulile.
Utana.
So mad. Experiences. Blue.
Blue.
Mm-hmm.
What's the worst job you've ever had? And who was the what? And what was your
Skoka. What were you gonna say?
what was your boss's name?
Worst. That's a tough one. Kufundisa ama-Chinese English. Yo, how could I forget? That was bad. That almost killed me. Bad.
Oh,
The year is 2020. The year is 2020. I've been living in PE. I left Joburg. I've been living in PE for like almost a year. COVID has just started.
Mm.
No, just before COVID started, actually. I'm like, oh, I need to do something. And my plan was then to go to Korea and do the thing. So while I'm applying and waiting for these things, my Ken Ben buy these
Uye Korea uyothini uyofundisa
Ndofundisa ama-Chinese
i-English.
English. Ama-Chinese Korea.
Ama-Korea.
I know. That's why I said that.
Ama-China se-Korea. Mm.
So I apply for this place and I have to go to this place now and do fundis. But now, because of the-
Online.
online, yeah.
Okay.
But I have to go there. So I like, we're not teaching at home.
Okay.
And the place is close by Homa Park,
Yeah.
so I can walk there.
Yeah.
It's chill vibes. But amaxesha okuya.
Mm.
It's like ndingena ngo-11
Ebusuku.
ebusuku. Ngo-12 ndiphuma u-7. Just the day, bra.
Ndinanto yami nebhatyi emhlophe.
Ngena ngo-11.
Engena 11.
Excuse me. So we had to go. So we had to teach. So you could or
Yeah.
adults,
Yeah.
right? And I used to, when we were training, I used to hear the other people teaching the kids, and I was like, "There's no way, there's no way I'm teaching these children." That's a mess. Mama Meli,
I'll train you.
English.
Umandela bantu.
No, but part of the training was listening to how other teachers were teaching.
Okay, sure.
And every time I go to a child teaching teacher, it was messy. It was just like, come on,
Chaos.
Joseph, sit down. Oh, Joseph, now because you could see them. Now Joseph, you're toys zake, and you can't like get mad and turn off the session because they're paying for it. So you have to be professional and then do the thing. There's no ways I'm doing that. So they were teaching during the day though. So if you want to teach adults, then you need to teach at night.
Ngena 11 phuma 7 ekseni.
Ulala nini, like, oh.
Emini yalo.
Yeah, but it takes a while for you to change your clock.
Correct.
Excuse me.
Awuphelanga phone ngo7 xa ufika endlini.
Finished. Do you know why I left that job?
Why you got or why you left?
Why I got
promoted.
fired?
Oh gosh. Oh, why is that funny? Why is it funny? You got fired.
Been fired before.
Is this why you hated it? Your worst job because you got fired.
I got fired, bro. Proper.
Velapi, you are fired. Fired. What?
So then COVID comes, then they're like, okay, you guys can come teach at home. And I'm like, oh, great, even better. I forgot 5 minutes before most
Yes,
teaching
correct.
at home.
Ungalala ebusuku ulale ngo7 uvuke 5 to 11.
Exactly. But because of my diabetes, it messed up my whole like eating schedule.
Of
And
course,
so-
blame the diabetes.
No, for real, because I'm eating lunch at 3 in the morning. Like, it's weird. I can't believe I've never told you this. But you were
No,
there
you know
when
what
I
I'm
was
laughing
doing
at?
this.
Ndicinga ufake iWhatsApp ke like nje mntu wamze lunchini 3:30.
Can you mean dozela?
Uhlala usozela.
Yeah, it's always boring.
Ngenye imini
Nabiwa bukujoka.
Tshontsho.
So you know it's
No
all-
way. Ke lunch.
No! During a lesson! And the lesson is an hour. And you're teaching more than one person at a time. Sometimes I'll figure out my 6. And these people are serious about education, very serious about learning English.
Duh! What? Are you joking? Ndibhatala
And
imali.
ngabantu abadala and bavele emsebenzini, so they're doing.
You paid someone to teach you something and they doze off. This is my favorite game.
Dozel, and you know also beware, you don't know how long you sleep for.
And you don't know what time you
No.
slept. So even if you wake up and it's like 10 past 3. Oh no. Oh no.
So I don't know if I did one of these. Or if I did one of these.
As a record, right? Session.
Yeah, record.
So why don't you just ask for the record?
You know how embarrassing that is. So apparently they later complained. So Dalala Ndavuga and I continued with the
I
lesson.
quest.
I don't know why you're finding this funny.
Oh no.
Fired. So somebody obviously was like, teacher was sleeping.
What a mess.
I saw the
Teacher was
message.
sleeping.
Teacher was sleeping in the class. Upset.
Of course.
Yeah. And
As they should be.
no, 100%.
Yo.
And so I was like, so then they emailed me and they were like, hi, this kuthiwa bulele in this class. And this is a one strike kind of offense. Like you don't get another. and then they were like, and we have the video. Would you like to see it? I was like,
Oh,
no.
come on. Come on.
I was so embarrassed. Because I was also like, because they rank you at the end of the class. And I was like one of the highly ranked teachers. And I think every week, after every week, then they give you, I don't know what they used to give us, but if you rank highly, there's like some sort of well done, buddy.
Oh,
that you
what?
get. Yeah.
They got additional 15 minutes.
So I was so embarrassed because I was like, oh my gosh, I believe you. I believe you that I slept. You don't have to
fine,
prove it
guys.
to me.
Yeah, you better.
It's fine. And then, so I was like, okay, cool. So what must happen now? And then they were like, no, it's either sukhote or uhambe.
And you resign.
So I resigned.
Did you say sorry at this?
Sorry to who?
To your employer?
For what?
For bringing their name into bad disrepute?
I don't know, maybe. I mean, I wrote some very like adult emails back and forth because I couldn't go into the office, thank God, because it was like,
It was COVID.
yeah, it was COVID level 5 or whatever it was.
Yeah, but I'm sure you weren't the first person to do that also.
No, I'm positive I wasn't the first person. I was just super embarrassed.
And not the last.
And not the last. I was just very embarrassed. I was just like, oh my gosh. Firstly, I've never been threatened with ukugxothwa,
Yeah.
and I've never resigned.
Yeah.
So now, so I just wrote a letter and I was like, due to unforeseen circumstances.
Damn.
Kufuneka ndihambe apha.
And then you've never slept on the job again.
No, I've also never had to do a job where I had to like.
This is a
Wake
risky
up
enough
and-
podcast. Singacinga umse sithi, that's hectic.
Yeah. Have you ever been fired?
Nah.
You're a diligent boy.
Nah, I ain't never been fired.
Well, kodwa babusebenza phaa kule ndawo ubuzoba fired.
Nah?
Mhm. It was
No,
torture, bro.
I
It
don't
was
think so.
absolute
Take my
torture.
work seriously.
Then I get into the program and they're like, great, you can come to Korea. Uvalwe igate. Kuthiwe akho umuntu ohambayo. Yeah, so that's how I ended up not.
And now you'd never go back.
No.
Okay.
I don't think it's.
Okay.
I think it was for me at that time, but not now.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
because my brain was in a very different place.
Okay. Got you.
Who's next? You?
Yeah. Let's do. If you could.
If you could, would you?
Yeah.
If you could meet.
Andifuna meet.
You're gonna hate this one. If you could meet any historical figure, who would you choose and why?
Jesus.
Is Jesus a historical
What do
figure?
you mean?
He's still alive, isn't he?
Ooh. I'm sorry to my Sabbath school teacher.
But he's in history.
Okay, but yeah.
And
if it-
why? Why would you want to meet Jesus?
so that I can sit down with him and ask him all the questions.
What questions do you have?
Why are we here? Sizotini apha.
Yeah, I think that's the number. one.
Also, ithini destiny yam. Ngaqala ndizama into engazozameka.
Do you think angakuphendula?
Hayibo.
Jordi,
Uh,
everything is such a secret. Ucima wena ngenxa ubuza, you're going to be answered.
Fondini. Yo.
So then you meet him and then umbizo and then you come back to earth and then you continue with.
Come on, ndikawondipholile apha
Oh,
eKapa.
so you're getting crib notes basically.
Clean cheat sheet. I'm getting a cheat sheet. Definitely getting a cheat sheet. Are you joking?
I guess.
If you could see your life, if kuthiwa ngena kule room, you're gonna watch a movie of how your life is gonna turn out.
From now on.
Yeah. Would you go?
horror show.
Would you go?
Of course. Of course. There's nothing worse than the unknown. Nothing, bro. Where you just like, and there's nobody next week.
And then like life yago is like it's gonna go.
Well, then start drinking, mate. Taking the drugs.
Oh man, love, take the love drag.
Love drug is not gonna.
Yeah, I
be
think I'd also watch.
No, definitely, bro. And this is the thing. So by watching, you don't get to change anything. It's just gonna happen like that anyway. Whether you know.
No mungazama uthini.
Yeah.
Uyona.
Yeah.
Uginywe ifish ba uyapanxeka, but what's meant to happen is still gonna
It's
happen.
still gonna happen. Yeah, you can't change any of the course of your life. That's a little bit sad, but I definitely watch.
That's interesting.
Yeah, then I'll probably turn into a rubbish human.
No, oh, it was gonna turn out positive, and this was a variety.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't think.
Yeah,
of the other
there's
side
two
of the
sides to every coin.
coin. Okay, cool. I picked laugh.
Which is what color?
Oh no, I picked laugh already.
Mm.
Which one is that one?
The flower.
Oh yeah, that is life. That one was
Light
Would
green.
You Rather. Yeah,
This one.
yeah.
What's your favorite family tradition?
Do we have family traditions? In
Ma-
the sense of,
iChristmas ndesiyisando iqala ngoku ebudaleni that I really
yeah,
enjoy.
which we really, yeah,
Christmas lunch.
exactly. And this past Christmas was really,
Yeah,
really cool.
it was
We
good.
had like a whole program. We had like
Gifts.
Secret Santa. It was really nice. And we never celebrate Christmas.
Yeah.
It was really nice. We had decorations. People had to make a dish. It was cool.
Yeah.
I think this might turn into my favorite.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Like
It was really, really nice.
La Familia.
Yeah.
Family. That's good.
But we don't have family traditions. That's wild.
Well, maybe if we think about it hard enough, we'd be able to find some stuff.
In the seasons, I song so all together as one. Wena, eyako? Okanye, was this your one as well?
Took my idea. Phone nina ndimfuni ngela deep.
Goba, let's
Khaya
just...
pha ku deep mfethu.
Okay.
Yo. Hayi. Jonga yo. No nomhlakulo deep. I also get to skip at least one.
Okay, this one says, what was the hardest decision you've ever had to make?
Skip.
Are we gonna go deep again?
Yeah, then I gotta choose between the two.
Okay. What is a mistake people often make about you? A mistake? What is a mistake people often make about
That I'm an extrovert. That's easy.
you? I think we need to...
What? See someone about this.
Yes,
What do you
literally.
mean?
Because you act like an extrovert in the world.
Act like.
Exactly, which is why people would obviously think that you are one. So uyazi-actela.
John.
When
Andi nje. Isister yam for nini?
No, kaloku abanye abantu.
Strangers.
Mm.
For nini I'm putting on the front, bro. Because I want to be memorable. I want to be rememberable.
But you do it so well, though.
Okay. So do pathological liars. Do it very well, innit?
So you're a psychopath.
No. No, I'm an introvert. Yeah, no. Ban mistake. Yeah, people mistake my kindness for weakness.
Ay,
I'm
Bocho.
joking. No, I'm joking. No, I promise you.
I
Half the
don't-
time andikho nje noba le nto ndiyithethayo, like half the time andikho sure. I don't know if I should be letting this out into the universe, but slapper.
That's crazy. It's crazy how you would do something that is against who you are so well. It's intense. Because also, where did you learn how to do this?
it just goes to show you that you do something often enough, you become good at it.
My thing is, when did you learn how to do this and why did you kind of decide to learn to do it? Because there are introverts who, you know, that person's an introvert because they live an introverted life.
Mm-hmm.
And then kubekho
Nxa
wena.
ngiyazifuna kaloku izinto ze-extrovert.
Izinto ezifana nalo.
Somile ntoni yonke laa nto ndiyazifuna ezaa nto.
So you just know how to act in order to get them.
Kind of.
That's psychopathic. That's
No, it's like learning a skill, Talita.
cool. No, for sure, for sure. Into ongayaziyo.
Yes. Yeah. And you have to practice it in order to know it.
I would love to know by iqale phi loo nto, but ke,
Ne?
that's something you could talk to with your therapist. Let's
No,
do
no,
the
no.
last
You
one.
would love to know something that you can talk about with my therapist. I give you a number. I give you all the permission that you want. It's fine. I
Akazungixelela.
actually don't care.
Okay, last one. Blue.
The blue in a suitcase. What's the best job you've ever had? I think that's fair though to ask you that. Given that walala emsebenzini. Hey, walala kududuma sana.
So I used to be a waitress, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think it would be easy to say one of my acting jobs. I think that would be an easy thing. And I feel like I've answered that question so many times because I've been asked, like, what's your favorite acting job? But when I was-
with Roga Band.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But I was an actress I was a waitress when I was 17
Oh.
and espe ekrinikazi.
Why is that funny?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Because that's where I worked. And that job was amazing.
Nah.
Yes. It was like the first time I earned money. And it was like, meeting new people all the time.
We like Kelly
we like girls, developing people's
Selvi
skills.
number.
Yeah, you
according
show
to
me.
the teacher.
Yeah, So it
That's
was
cool.
it was like an
He leftovers. Like
Yo, never.
never.
Mm-mm.
You that is rivitela mna phone in leftovers. This fucking non you le prenga singa scribesa steak. Damn. Angasigqibi nyani ni. Okay, should I take this away? Good yeah.
Good shot.
Fucking good April.
And I'm sure you weren't allowed to.
No, we weren't allowed to. Unjani uFernando? Chiba elahle emgqomeni steak.
It was cool, man. It was like an intro into being an adult, but
Okay.
in a fun way.
Okay.
And I felt very like responsible, and I felt very like, oh, maybe I can do this adult thing, Pangele, benemali zam,
Yeah.
bhatalele transport, buy my own lunch. It was nice.
Oh, look.
Yeah, it was cool. I met a lot of people, a lot of cool, crazy human beings.
Mm.
It was a fun year. But at the same in that same year, I was also on radio, and that was amazing as well.
I can say
Yeah.
life yako yai on top.
100%. Yeah. So I was a server in the week and a radio host on the weekends.
Oh, lekker.
Mm.
Oh, that's awesome. That's really
It was cool, man. Those days were cool. Like learning new things is so cool, especially when you're in an environment where it's nurtured. Like
Yes, correct.
I was all geeky or whatever, and I think I got very lucky, especially in the radio, to just be given a chance to do something I'd never done before.
Yeah.
Without like the repercussions of sponsor.
Yeah, correct.
Because it was a community radio station, so it wasn't like too hectic.
And uzokwazi if ke umoshi lapho uzokwazi ubhatala irent yakho.
Yeah, even sure.
fair.
Yeah. So
Okay.
those two things were
Excellent,
were
eh?
cool. Wena, favorite job?
Yeah, also I think and I always say that one job that I would like definitely do again that I don't do anymore was that.
Waitering.
Yeah. I quite enjoyed and I quite enjoyed it.
Really? Introvert? That's
Yeah.
interesting.
Tanu lunch.
You liked it because
Tanu mangini ki pizza zabantu and your taste apa. Ki Hawaiian. And complain with the other stuff at the back. Like, you understand? I like that. I like the social aspect of being able to like hang out with people. Like abanin spana nabo. Ngole namo sister basa kitchen, laugh at the jokes. Dun. And obviously, I think getting money. 'Cause
Yeah,
I think,
for sure.
Yeah, I think that now I was at a very young age, and that I really, really like Dandi enjoy lo party.
Yeah.
If it tips zama zidlula 50 rand siyitye phe shop imali. Thenga ipizza ivutulule la mali.
Because I got pressure about, oh, I need to work to help my family out.
Wow, before you at home, 70 double shift for numkile for 8-10 hours. When you figure endlini ungaphethanga nix. Because it tips zakuvutulule because it was a bad day. Many 60 rand. Uthenga ngayo ipizza necream soda.
That's cool. That's cool. You know, I often think about it now. I'm like, you know, if izinto azisipani nyanyani bekho i-race yoqomba ya uhamba abantu abatop baya deep thousands, I'll definitely do it again.
No, me too. I think about that all the time.
Not kodwa apha fonini yogezela abachepe Jemeli day.
Geza everywhere, but who geza is a people thing.
No, 100%. And abantu abanemali bageza even worse.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
And
But
it's
definitely-
gezo sabo kungadiphi no ngenye
Eh,
ixesha. Yeah, for sure.
Because
So,
of one small thing.
Yeah.
But then I'm also like, yo, but also ningumuntu owaziwayo. And you know how people are. So bebuza into ezingekhoyo ba. Hayi ba. Ngawela zaklina.
on woman ndiyabongela.
You see, now funeka manje switchele customers zam.
No, you don't have to. People don't care. So do what you gotta do. People don't really care that much. Don't do things for people. Do it for self. If you know that.
But abantu bayageza. The problem is
It's
that
fine. No.
but this affects me.
It's just gas, or does it pay your rent? Does it buy you the things that you really want? Does it allow you to go to Portugal?
Yo. Oh,
We care too
God.
much what people think.
We really do.
But yeah.
I'd already thought of an answer though.
What?
Bandi research role.
Research role nyaka wonke. Xa nile role yakho phela kumntana nini isiquqa apha.
Kutela lukuqapha la. Don't you know there's other restaurants in Joburg? Woo! Okay, cool. That was a hot session. I'm so hot.
Yeah, I'm much better now. Yo, you made me laugh, bro. Yo, hayi ndihlekile. Bona ke namhlanje I can honestly say that azange ndahleka kangaka in an episode ndihlekile namhlanje. Thank you so much. That was very, very like cool of you
Thanks.
to sacrifice yourself to make me happy. Ulale span. But yeah, guys, at the end of the day, you know what it is. Muskanchirin galognani. I'm most interested in like what was the worst job that you've ever had. Like that's
Yeah.
what I would like to know from you guys.
Yeah.
What was the worst job you've ever? And have you ever been fired and why? Most importantly.
One of the questions was when I was going through these cards earlier was who's the worst boss you've ever had? And I was like, like
It's wild.
I
No,
know.
some cars about why send down in a teal and this is what they used to do.
I guess,
Yeah.
maybe. All right. Thank you so much for coming to this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had fun with us. And you know what it is. Next week, we're going to do it again.
Yeah, for sure. We're back on next week. Thank you guys for being with us on this journey. It's been an absolute wild ride, but yeah, we ride. This is our rock as you on. You know what it is. Yeah.
We'll see you guys again next week. And don't forget, love each other.